Hello everyone, my name is Cassandra and welcome to Cassie's Delightful Meals. On today's episode, we are whipping up something just in time for the holiday season, the creamiest mac and cheese. We are recreating a classic, but putting a little spin on it. This is a comforting meal that will leave you wanting more. Continue watching so you too can recreate this holiday classic. For today's recipe, we need 2.5 cups milk, 4 tablespoons of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 sweet onion, 3 garlic cloves and 1 bunch of thyme, 1 pound pasta, 12 ounces fresh spinach, 1/2 cup crispy onions, 4 tablespoons butter, 8 ounce Parmesan cheese, 8 ounce white cheddar, and 14 ounces of Fontina cheese. First, we start with our onions. We start dicing them up. Then we mince our garlic. Then we start to shred all our cheeses together. Using different varieties give it an added dimension to each bite. Place your pasta to boil al dente and add your olive oil and a pinch of salt. Now we preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the butter, then we are going to stir in the onions and garlic, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and then cook until the onions soften. Stir in the flour and onions. Cook for about 3 minutes until golden. Start to slowly add your milk in while stirring constantly. As the sauce is thickening, add in your nutmeg. Add in the spinach and stir until it softens. Then we add in our medley of cheeses to thicken the sauce. Even though it's tempting to use all of it, save some for topping the pasta. Now we're going to pour our decadent sauce over the pasta. Remember to spread evenly. We're going to top our dish with the remaining cheese, and now it's time to add in our crispy onions. Now we're going to place it in the oven for 30 minutes until our crust is golden. Now we finish it off with thyme. Voila! Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Okay, you guys, it's time to try the most delightful mac and cheese.
Amazing. The perfect holiday side dish. Can't wait for you guys to try this.
Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and share my delightful meals with your friends and family. And remember, the most important thing is to cook with love. Until next time, everyone.